So the first thing is to print a text print. You can do that by holding on the stop button, hold it, and then also hold the start button for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 seconds. Then release them. It will print out the text. We show you the health of the print head. So if your printer is not printing some colors, or one of the colors are not coming out well, this will confirm it. So when you print it, you look at it. If it is like this, then your printer is in good health. But if any of these colors, either the black, the yellow, the magenta, or the cyan, they are not coming out, then you need to do a manual cleaning of your printhead. Now, to do the manual cleaning of your printhead, you just need to hold on to this uh, button for between 6 and 8 seconds, and then release it. Now, if you hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, take note when this begin to you release it, it will do a manual cleaning by itself. It will continue to blink like this. You allow it until it stop blinking. And when it stop blinking, you print another one. You can do it for about 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 times until you get exactly this, depending on the make or the model of your printer. Don't stop. I have to do mine up to like 4 times before it cleared up like this. So good luck. Thank you.